stuck this new smoke alarm in. I can't even remember now, I'll have to look it up again. Now it's got a 5-year life, and it's got built-in batteries as well, but it's also supplied by electricity. But the alarm is pathetic. I'm going to wait and see if I can get the alarm to go off with the smoke. That wouldn't wake anybody. Let's see if we can get it. I'm just trying a little bit of smoke. You have to, sorry about the camera, I'm trying to keep it out of light as much as possible. It's a pathetic alarm. I mean, there's enough smoke in there to set up. Christ almighty, I have to do this again, I think. That's it. That's the smoke alarm for it. That's pathetic. I've held a cigarette underneath that for about what? Roughly a minute. That is pathetic. I don't know if you can get a better light with a light. No, there's no light on there. Yeah, you might get a better view. That smoke alarm cost £12. I think it was £12. I'll have to check the prices. But anybody's thinking of buying them, forget it. Just get yourself these standard type smoke alarms that you just get a light on, and we'll show you. For in your kitchen, just get a standard light, smoke alarm like that. You can get them for 99 pence and they work good enough for 12 months, and then you just buy a new one. In the other rooms I've got electric ones. The kitchen's the only one I don't have an electric one fitted because the amount of time it goes off. But I can't believe that pathetic thing up there, I don't know if it's coming out on the video, and I won't know until I've tried it, is pathetic. I wouldn't even tell you got a fire on the gas stove, not even a fire in the pan.